Are you having fun? Well, I think we can say that Freya's not a shy puppy. Kip, kip, kip! Good! Good! Yes! Yes! Who's good doggies? Amber. Oh, Bailey, are you in with the puppy group today? Pippa getting her own back. Jago? Yes. Who's a good boy? You are, aren't you? Yes, you are. Oh, we'll mix the pups in a minute. We've got a couple over there that are desperate to meet this lot over here. Luna loves a game of Chase Me. Kip, kip, kip! Kip, kip, kip! Good! Good! Yes! Who's good? Yes, you are! Well, I think you guys are all doing very well. So, that noise you can hear in the background is that side being blown, the leaves being blown, so we can find the poo, if there's any poo. But the new puppies, we don't know if they know about leaf blowers yet. So we're keeping, so they can hear the noise. They'll occasionally get a little bit of a draft, but then it's a windy day, so they probably won't notice that anyway. But it just helps them get used to the noises that might happen at daycare. Normally the blowing's done, most of it's done before they even arrive, but some days we have to do it again. So our newest starters are Jago and Freya and Pippa. And then not long before them was Pickles, and Rusty's probably the longest standing out of this puppy group. Luna is almost ready to graduate. Bailey has graduated, and Amber is one of my... Bailey and Amber are adults. I think the wind's got up their tails today. They're having great fun.